Welcome to Easy Step Products. My name is Terry Nelson, and today I'm going to be hosting how our product is being made. I'm going to explain why our product is superior to any other product on the market. And it all starts with the backbone of our company, the Easy Step In Post. Made of 1/2-inch solid steel rebar, comes in two sizes, 60 and 80 inches tall, and powder coated and built to last. They come in 3 different colors. They come in sunset orange, midnight black, and alpine green. So, on our 5-point system on manufacturing, we cut the steel, we bend the anchor, we double weld it 1.5 inches on this side, 1.5 inches on this side. And last, we have a 5-inch platform for easy installation. So that means you don't need a post pounder or a hammer. Then after we have that completed, we take it to sandblasting. We want to get all the scaling and rust off of our post before we spray the powder on here. We wanted a material that was going to bond to the post and keep it from chipping or flaking off and can possibly contaminating the soil. So we took the extra steps to ensure that it was going to be eco-friendly. Next, we developed a support ring system. That means that if you're looking to do any type of gardening, that means container, potted, raised bed, or just a little chunk of land out back, we have the perfect setup for you on that. With our support rings, our rings come in 3 different sizes. They come in the 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch ring. So that means that you can continuously add more support rings as the plant continuously grows. How the system works is you simply take your locking nut and your rod clamp, twist it on the rod clamp, slide it down the post, and lock it in place. Now, open up your ring, slide it around the stock of the plant, and then lock it in place on the rod clamp. Now you can continuously add more support rings as the plant continuously grows. We have a kit for every type of plant you may want to grow in your backyard. So we have our off-grid kit, great for bell peppers, jalapenos, and banana. That is our off-grid. And what that consists of is a 1 8-inch ring, 1 10-inch ring, and 1 12-inch ring. All of our rings are able to be adjusted up and down and rotate 360 degrees. So you can accommodate to the growth of that plant and giving it the support it needs, because the more support that plant gets, the more it's going to produce off of that plant. Next, if you're looking for growing Roma tomato plants, which is considered a determinate plant, that type of plant grows 2.5 to 3.5 feet tall. That is our gardener special. That comes with 2 8-inch rings, 2 10-inch rings, and 1 12-inch ring. Next, what we have is our determinate plant. This is like your early girls and your beefsteaks, etc. These type of plants continuously produce throughout the season until the first frost, then it doesn't produce anymore. And we have the 80-inch post for that system, the Homesteader kit. So what you get with the Homesteader kit is you get 3 8-inch rings, and 2 10-inch rings, and 1 12-inch ring. So that one is going to be enough for your plant to keep growing vertically. And that's what you want, is to keep your plants growing vertically. When I was talking about the stabilizer / anchor system that you install it in the ground, what you should do is plant your tomato plant on this side, especially the tomato plant, because that's a very heavy fruit. When you plant your tomato plant over here, when that plant is growing heavier and heavier, that post is going to want to lean. That's where this comes in handy. This will keep it from tipping over. It won't even lean. That's how durable this product is, because we make this out of a 1/2-inch rebar, and that's extremely strong. It's the same material that they put in driveways. We wanted to make sure, as you as a consumer, get a product that you absolutely love and is going to be around for many years to come. Our entire system is compact for storage. So that means you can put it in a 12 by 12-inch box and throw it up on the shelf. This is how great our product is. We looked at every avenue to make you as a consumer extremely happy, stop spending your money, throwing away products. We didn't want to be another throwaway product. We wanted something that was going to last a lifetime. What we manufactured is a great product all around. It's like a tomato cage on steroids. On the tomato cage, they're built inadequately. So when you're installing a flimsy system like this, It's not even compared to a system like this. Ours is a superior plant support system, and it's going to last for years to come. That's why we put a lifetime warranty on all of our products. Manufactured 100% here in the USA, and you're absolutely going to love it. Unlike the notorious tomato cage, which comes with a taillight warranty. For more information, visit us at easystepproducts.com.